Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the end full enabled function on the touchscreen of the EPS tongue and groove cutting machine. The function is currently enabled. After clicking System Start on the main page, the machine starts running. The sensor is installed underneath the conveyor at the very end of the machine. When the sensor detects a signal, the rail at the top grooving station will stop running. Once the panel is removed, the rail will continue running automatically. When the end full enabled function is disabled, the rail at the top grooving station will not stop even when there is a panel at the end of the machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.